As we begin planting, we need to follow the guidelines of Florida Water Star and right plant, right place. The plants in a single irrigation zone, or in this case, plant bed, should be compatible together with water needs, sun and shade, and growth rates. Use the Florida Friendly Landscape Plant Guide to help you find the right plant for the right place, or an FNGLA certified member company or professional to help. As you identify the right plant for the right place, you can determine what kind of spacing you will need and how many plants it will take for your project. Always base plant spacing off mature growth sizes. All plantings should be a minimum of 2.5 feet away from the building, and the root ball a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch above the soil level. As we dig each hole, let the compost fall and mix into the hole. This mixing of compost will help retain moisture for our plants and fertilize it.
When choosing plants that will succeed for your landscape, use the St. Johns River Water Management District WaterWise Plant Database. This will give you first-hand information from growth size to sun and water needs for plants you're interested in. Plant spacing is essential. Always consider the mature plant size when allotting space for each plant. Apply compost to planting area and mix in. Plants should be a 1/2 to a 1/4 inch above the ground level and mulched with Florida-friendly wood mulch options. All plantings should be water compatible when choosing your plantings for your plant beds or landscape.